We are watching a mega storm that's going to be lifting up through the northeast tonight and early tomorrow, and already it has produced several inches of snow in many areas of the south. Here we are in Columbus, Georgia. This is south and west of the Atlanta metro, and a really good hit here. Good 4 inches of snow coming down, and thunder snow along with that, thunder and lightning as the snow is falling. And here in Northport, Alabama, this is sent in by Madison. Look at that. The gnomes out there having a good time in the winter storm. Just an incredible storm across the southeast. It is now really winding down in the deep south. Still some lingering snow across parts of Georgia into central Georgia right now, and still a little bit going on in Atlanta as well. And you can see how broad this area of precipitation is. This is all rain, a lot of it. There could be some flooding concerns. Notice how that rain snow line is slowly migrating inward here, more towards the coast, and this entire area is going to be overspread with snow. So probably a good 4 to 6 in Charlotte and a good 3 to 5 in Raleigh, and then it's really going to come down, getting into parts of the northeast. Already we've seen some major travel problems, including at Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson Airport. Here's Kim with that for us.
Oh, you know, this morning, Carl, we had a 5-hour delay at Hartsfield. We're doing a little bit better now. We do have delays in San Francisco with all the rain we've had here. No wonder. Low clouds, even the winds kicking up, and also here in Boston, all the snow we've seen. And we have about an hour delay, and expect tomorrow really to be the big headache for travel. All right, here in Atlanta, as mentioned, 5 hours earlier this morning, we're doing much better now, a little over an hour. So if you're heading to the airport, just check your carrier before you go, and you might be able to sit tight for a little bit and enjoy the snow out here. Traveling Interstate 20, well, if you're heading east on 20, you're going to hit some rain. It's going to change over to snow. But if you're traveling out there on 20, it looks like right now you're hitting some snowfall around the Atlanta metro area. Now, Sunday's forecast, looking for the rain here for some of the East Coast. That's going to change over to snow. And tomorrow, it is going to be a nightmare for travelers here on 95 with wind, with snow, and of course, expect airport delays at Reagan National, at Dulles, and of course, all the airports around New York City. Carl?
Well, coming up, we'll detail your back-to-work forecast and where the weather may grant some of you a 3-day weekend. A lot of folks probably not going to school or work tomorrow as this major storm moves in. We're talking about a good 6 to 10 inches in the Baltimore and D.C. area. The snow now just developing on the south side of town, getting into Calvert County and PG County. We're going to find it coming down in earnest through the night tonight. Could be some very heavy snowfall rates, 2 to 3 inches per hour, and it's going to continue into the early morning hours. We'll have much more on that coming right up.